Hello everybody, welcome back. My name's Flexa. Today, we can continue with Laravel 11 CRUD, creating and editing blog post. Let's get started. In the previous video, we can show the blog list page. Now, we need to allow users to create new blog post records. We are experiencing an error because we have not yet had the create view file. Let's create one by going to the Resources Views Posts folder and creating a file with the name create.blade.php. And next, adding the necessary codes for it. Awesome, we can show the create blog post form. Now, trying to create a new blog post record. The blog post record is created after submitting the form. Something went wrong with the UI. Some styles do not work. Let's rerun the Node.js packages. It is amazing. It works fine. Next, we are continuing to create the editing for blog post. We have not yet had the edit view file. For now, let's create it. Provide the necessary codes for it. Try to change the field data. Save changes. Successfully. The deleting blog post function works for now. Let's create some records more. You can also read the guide by clicking the link in the video description.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content for you. Thanks for being part of this community.